our shop, our office roof is kind of complicated, and I don't want everything to be in here. Most times, you know, if you have a single family home, what shows up as yellow outline should be good. In this case, I'm going to change the shape a little bit because I don't want an estimate on the whole roof. So if I click it and delete selected item and then draw a new roof shape, and that's what I want to have done. So I'll go like that, just click the corners, double click the last one to keep it, save the changes. You can name each of your roofs. So let's say back roof, like that. And I'm going to say it's medium pitch. It's a roof that you can walk on. It's not super steep. One of these will show up as a recommended pitch. So just stick with the recommendation. You should be safe for sure. And once you're satisfied with everything, you click see my price and punch in some information so you can get sent the estimate. So obviously I'm putting this in, but you'll want to put your information in here, both your number and your email, to make sure that you get the information in your email inbox. It gives it a price range, just because, you know, we haven't been out there yet. We're not going to know exactly what the cost is. But once you're satisfied with the right package, right warranty and everything, you click send me the details, and in just a little bit, you will have the details in your inbox. So go ahead, give it a shot, get an estimate, and see what happens. Thanks for trying it out.